Hello. Today we're going to talk about and study digraphs and some trigraphs. These are letters that are combined to make a special sound. And we're going to ignore the first part of this chart and just start with the digraph, starting with ST. ST says st, st, as in stop. ST says st, as in stop. And in this word, ST comes at the beginning. But there are some words where ST comes at the end. So, can you think of a word that ends with st? Must. Must. You must.
Mosquito.
No. Must. ST. St. At the end. So here we have ST as a beginning sound. St. Up. Stop. The next blend, the next digraph is PL, which is pronounced pl, pl. Because P says p, L says pl, pl, plain. Pl as in plain. Can you give me another word that starts with the PL sound?
Play.
Play. Yes. Plate. Plain. The next one is FR as in frog. Fur. F says f, R says r. So you have fur in frog. The next digraph is tr in train. 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 Trip. Can you think of another word? Trip. What about?
Train.
Yeah, that's what we have here. What about tree? Tree. 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 The next one is SH. Sh. S says s. H says h. But you put them together, and the special sound is sh, as in ship. Ship. Can you think of another word that starts with sh?
Shoot.
Shoot. Yes, shoot. And shake. And we have ship right here. There are many words that start with this SH. And also SH is a
she.
Yes, very good. She. SH is also a digraph that will be found at the end of the word, like fish, wish, mash. You hear the sh sound?
Mash.
Yeah, mash. So this can be a beginning sound and it can be an ending sound. TH in
The.
thick. Thick. The is definitely a word that starts with TH, right?
Yes.
Thick. So it's hard to separate this from the I, but it's thick. And your tongue has to be at the top T. Thick. You have to put your tongue in order to make that sound. And sometimes people don't do that, and it sounds like D. So, but if you put your tongue behind...
But don't you put your tongue at the top of your mouth when you say
thick. You put it behind your teeth, your top teeth. Thick. Okay? And this one is thick as in this. That tongue comes forward a little more. This. Okay? BL. Block. as in block. Blue. It's another word.
Bell.
Nope. That's an E between the L and the B in bell. Okay? So that one would not be a combined sound. We're talking about this sound, this B and this L coming together to make one special sound. Bl, b, block. Cl, cl, in clock. What did you say?
Clothes.
Clothes. Very good. Yes. And remember that funny face person that dresses up and puts on a wig and a big red nose?
Clown.
Clown. Yes. Clown starts with CL. In clock. FL. 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 Flake. FL in flake. And flower. And what is this? The
Floor.
Floor, yes. FL in floor. GL in glue. Glue. Also, glow. Glow. GL. All right, so these are the digraphs here on this chart, and we're going to turn over to the next chart because there's some more found on that page as well, and so I do want to go over all of them. And this one has a trigraphs with the 3 sounds. So BR, brr, 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 in bride, brr, brr. Can you think of a BR word? Brr.
Brown.
Brown. Very good. And brick. And break.
Blue.
No, that's a BL. Brr, 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 brown. Bride. Bride. DR. Dur, dur, dur. D says D. D. Be very careful not to say duh. D does not say duh. It says D. Just cut it off. D. Dur, dur. And drum. Dur, dur, in drum. And drive. Drink. 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 Okay? PR in pray. PR. Pray. Pray.
Please.
No, please would be the PL. PR.
Pray. Like
Pray.
Like animals pray.
Yes, that's another pray, isn't it? We have PRAY, which means to talk to God, and then we have PREY, which is an animal that eats another animal, right? So the prey would be the animal that's eaten. Very good. Prey, PREY, and pretzel, pretzel, and pretty. GR in grin. Grinch. Yes. What if we put O at the end of GR? Grow. Grow. Yes. GR. SM.
Oh, green.
Green. Yes, that's right. Green. That's a very good. That's another color word. Green. Green. And gray. Since we're talking about the colors, right? We have green and gray. Begin with GR. Very good. So GR. In grin. SM. In smoke.
Smoke.
Can you think of another word that starts with S-M?
Smile.
Smile. Very good. And smell. I did not smile when I smelled the smoke. So I have a sentence with 3 words in it. Smile, smell, and smoke. Okay?
And small.
And small.